As OT and IT converge, new vulnerabilities are exposed, putting critical infrastructures at risk. This new environment requires a unified security solution to prevent attacks and breaches against evolving OT-IT environments. A system crash on a manufacturing floor can stall production for hours and potentially cost a company millions in ruined product. Cybersecurity outages in oil rig environments could jeopardize both human safety and infrastructure. An oil spill due to infrastructure damage harms the environment and affects the bottom line. Outages affecting transportation companies with large fleets can result in weeks of downtime and up to hundreds of thousands lost. Securing these cyber-physical OT environments can be a complicated task, but Fortinet can help. Fortinet provides a unified and proactive approach to security that protects against a growing threat landscape. How does Fortinet deliver this? The Fortinet Security Fabric delivers broad, integrated, and automated security. It protects the entire network, with security extending across both IT and OT environments. With multiple solutions and technologies working together and sharing intelligence, the Fortinet Security Fabric eliminates security gaps, simplifies management, and reduces complexity within IT and OT networks with automation. The Fortinet Security Fabric starts by protecting the core network with the award-winning FortiGate firewall. Complementing FortiGate with additional Fortinet solutions extends security to the cloud, access layer, web applications, devices, endpoints, and to third parties via our open ecosystem. Understand who and what is on the network for complete visibility. Read traffic to understand specific protocols and commands used in OT environments. Use multi-factor authentication for role-based access across the network, supported by client AV and sandboxing to protect against known and unknown threats. Gain situational awareness with continuous behavioral analysis to gather true intelligence about users and devices. For OT environments exposed to the elements, such as oil rigs, electrical substations, and industrial warehouses, Fortinet offers ruggedized equipment to weather even the harshest climates. Backed by continuous threat intelligence from FortiGuard Labs, gain the confidence of securing against vulnerabilities specific to the equipment installed in OT facilities. Supported by a dedicated team of experts who have worked in OT environments and understand their unique needs and the importance of meeting the obligations of a safety-first culture, the Fortinet Security Fabric delivers comprehensive security, enabling OT and IT environments to remain safe, available, reliable, and secure.